Welcome back, folks. This is Shardul Gavande from Ace Knowledge, and in this video, we are going to see how data binding works in Android. So, in the earlier videos, we have seen in the resource folder the layout file. There are there is an activity underscore main layout main.xml file, and in the values we have this file strings.xml colors and styles. So the data which we are going to bind is a string value. Okay, so as we know in the main.xml we take a text view and we type it as android colon, it is like text is equal to hello. Okay, so this is a hard coded text, right? So it says over here hard coded string. So then what we have seen that we could go over here in the strings.xml file, and here we can specify the string name, as example my text, and then we could type the value for that particular string as hello folks. And then in again coming back to the main.xml file, and over here we could give the path as string my text, which would print hello folks in the layout of our application, right? But now what I want is, I don't want to print this from my activity underscore main xml file. I don't want to give the path of the string over here. I want to pull that data or the value in my main activity by binding that string value over here. So what I will do is, I would create a variable here as s equal s, and then the type of the variable which is string, since I'm fetching string value or binding a string value. So the data type of that variable, which is string, equal to get string. We have get string, and here r, from where r resource, then strings.xml. So that is the reason we have here string and my underscore text in that strings.xml. Okay, so once I bind my data, so I have bind my string data in the variable which s. So now I will need to print that data or value of string. So I would have toast, I would use as toast dot make text, toast dot make text. I would write here this, which means that this means the main activity. As you can see, as soon as I write this, the main activity is highlighted, which means print where in this activity, which is nothing but the main activity, comma. Then I would write pass this variable over here. Variable value of this variable is what? The name of this variable is what? S. So here I would pass s, comma, toast dot length long, and we'll show it. Okay, so this is how I bind the data to my variable string value, and I print it using toast, pass the variable s, since now data which is there in string is since the value of string is now stored in s, so that is the reason I pass the variable s over here, and this toast length long, as in how long it should appear on our layout screen. Okay, so I'll save this and let's run and check what do we get. So I select this. Okay, my emulator is over here, create building, launching activity, and activity has launched, and here you can see hello folks. So this was the string which we pulled from here strings.xml in our main activity with the help of these two lines. Okay, so we didn't put a path over here as android text anywhere. We just directly came into our main activity and we binded this string value in our variable s, and then printed it on our layout or application with the help of toast. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.